there is always a gap between knowing and doing. One might be knowing the strategies, but whether he is able to actually execute the trades, adjust the trades, is something different. Making consistent returns from market is a dream for most of the traders. And when we are talking about a roadmap to make 1 lakh rupees per month, obviously it is not a get rich quick kind of a scheme. It is something which needs lot of commitment, which needs lot of understanding of options trading, and it also needs a decent amount of capital. Now, even if you have 30 to 40 lakh rupees of capital, obviously that whole capital cannot be deployed in one trade or in one strategy, thinking that, okay, this trade will give me 3% return, I will make 1 lakh rupees. That is not possible. But what a good trader needs to do maybe is that, okay, if you have, let's say, 40 lakh rupees, then maybe divide it into 4 different buckets of 10 lakhs each and deploy 10 lakhs in strategy A, 10 lakhs in B, 10 lakhs in C, 10 lakhs in D. And obviously, if you are able to make something close to 25 to 30,000 rupees in each bucket, then definitely one can reach 1 lakh rupees per month. So in today's video, what we will see that, okay, where can I deploy the first bucket of 10 lakh rupees? After conducting 3 workshops, one on iron condor, one on iron butterfly, and one on calendar spreads, I am getting a lot of questions that, sir, I am having X amount of money. So how many sets I should make? How much money I should allocate to a particular strategy? So how much money you should allocate to a particular strategy is purely your choice. If you are more comfortable in any one of the strategies, obviously your 50-60% should go in that strategy. Let us say out of 3 you are more comfortable in iron butterfly, then definitely you should allocate more to iron butterfly. You are least comfortable with iron condor, then do not give more than 10% to iron condor. And you are just okay with, let us say, the double calendar spread, then maybe another 20% can be allocated to that. Now, in this series, what I will show that, suppose I am starting with 10 lakh rupees and I am doing a particular strategy, what kind of trades I can do and what can be my risk and what can be the kind of profit I will earn. Initially, we were thinking to do this for our members only, but we said, okay, let us do few videos for our complete audience, and then in Toss Insights, we'll be including more such videos wherein investor has 10 lakh rupees and he is trying to invest that money and what kind of returns can be generated in a month's period based on some backtesting data. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. We always try to trade in very safe, conservative strategies. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. We give you pre-market report every morning. Now, let us go to a backtesting software, and now I've selected 3rd November. So at 9:30, let's say November 3rd is the first day of November. Let us say I'm somebody with 10 lakh rupees and I want to trade iron butterfly for 25th November. Right? 25th November is a monthly expiry. So if you click here, you will get straight away a short iron fly. One iron fly, depending upon whatever is the margin, it is showing 1.27 lakh rupees. So obviously, if I have 10 lakh rupees, so how many positions I can make? If I see after 7 positions, how much margin it has consumed? It has consumed 8.69, and if I make one more, it can definitely accommodate. But I'll not do that. I'll not use 100% of my margin. Now, what about the trades? If I go here and hide, what kind of trades it has done? It has done 25, 850 put, 850 call, and then just 200 points above call it has purchased, and just 200 points below put it has purchased. Where is market? Spot is 25,678, right? And future is somewhere around 25,800, and hence it has done at 800. But if I see 850, I am not liking it because obviously we do not want to make it at 50 points. So what I will do, I will just make it to 800. Now we have butterfly, and we have 7 lots of butterfly. And if you see, your maximum loss is 26,000 rupees. If we know little bit of adjustment, we know that, okay, I can really avoid this 26,000 rupees loss. And in a very bad scenario also, what will happen? I can have maybe 5,000 rupees lost, or I can have a decent profit. What is maximum profit? Maximum profit is 1.31 lakhs. And here I am assuming that, okay, I have allocated 10 lakhs to this trade. For better reach and visibility, please click on the like button. Each and every like is very precious to us. Thanks in advance. Now let us move forward. Let's see what kind of results can we expect. Now here one thing is very clear. If I am a working professional, my maximum risk is 26,000, and definitely for the whole month I can do a little bit of adjustments if required. Some soft adjustments I will show. Obviously we have shown in our Iron Fly workshop how to do the adjustments, how to lock the profit. That makes things much more useful. But as of now, if required, I will show you little bit of adjustments. Now let us move by one day at a time. And if I go to next day I'm losing just 367 rupees. Okay. As per payoff diagram, I'm pretty much comfortable. Next day, now I'm already sitting at a profit of 3203, which is 0.4% profit based on whatever is the margin used. But if I'm saying 10 lakh rupees, so on 10 lakh rupees, 3203 is 0.32, right? Next day, small loss. Next day, okay. So as long as my blue line is showing me that, okay, blue line is above zero line, I can still be in the trade. I need not hurry for adjustments because I know maximum loss is fixed, which is 26,000. Okay, now I'm making 7349, which is almost 0.7% on 10 lakh rupees. Next day, again, market is quite range bound. Next day, oh, it has gone up pretty well. Now I'm making 8715. Next day, 8137. Now I'm making 11,000 rupees. So which means that already I'm making roughly 1.1% on my allotted capital. Now at this point in time, when we are at 14th of Feb, which is we are almost in the middle of the month, already there is a 11,000 rupees profit. So there can be a chance that, okay, I can scare off this trade and I'm happy with 1.1% return. Or what I can do, I can partially book this trade. I can partially book the trade so that my maximum loss becomes less. Let me show you. Now we have done 7 lots. Let me now book 3 lots out of this. So I will book 3 in this. 4 are left. Out of 7 trades, 3 sets I have booked. Now 4 sets are there. Now if you see, my maximum loss is only 10,000 rupees on whatever capital I have deployed. Now the capital deployment has also reduced because I have booked some profit. You can see the blue line also is very, very wide now. Break-even point shown on this graph are different, but actual break-even point is now very far away. It is around 25,025. It is not 25,535 is this. But if you see blue line, it is 25,045. And on the upside, it is 26,320. But because you have booked 50% of your trades, there is already a profit which is saving the overall trade for you. Now, obviously, capital allocation has also reduced. Now, the estimated margin used is around 4.74. We have booked our approximately 50% of our trades. Let us move forward. Let's see now what happens. Next day, a slightly upside move in the market. My profit has reduced a bit. No issue. Next day. Now I'm making 12,000 rupees. I am on 18th November. Expiry is for 25th November. Now I'm making 15,000 rupees. Right? 15,000 rupees means on 10 lakh rupees I'm making 1.55%. Next. See now. Market has gone out of a normal range of the butterfly, but it has not gone out of my blue line. I can still sit in that trade. Next day. Again, it is still there. As of now, I'm still making 5,842, which is okay. I have not done any adjustments so far. Next day, again, little bit of move in the downside. The next day, market came back. This is a matter of chance. Now you see you're blocking 31,000 rupees, which is 3.1%. There could have been some adjustment there also, which obviously people who have attended, they know. Okay, we are on 25th November. This is the last day, and I can go to end of day. On end of day, in spite of booking 50% of my trades early, this trade is giving me 54,000 rupees. Will this happen every time? Obviously, no, it will not happen every time. But if you do it for 12 months and you keep on reducing your max loss, initially I started with a possible maximum loss of 26,000 rupees. In the middle of the month, I saw that, okay, I'm having some profit. I reduced my maximum possible loss for 10,000 rupees. In the whole month, it is again by chance that, okay, we are not required to do any adjustment, and we sat through the trade and we are making a decent 54,000 rupees, which is for your hold 10 lakhs. I'm not talking about whatever is the estimated margin. Estimated margin is showing 7.28 lakh because we are keeping the trade till expiry day, and on expiry day, the margin requirements increase. So if we keep the trade just like that, in this case, it will not happen. Please mind it. It will not happen every time. Sometimes market will go into this red zone wherein you need to do some adjustments to reduce the possibility of loss. So this is one of the ways that, okay, I have allocated 10 lakh rupees to iron butterfly, and in the middle of the month, if I'm getting a required good profit, I can book, or I can book partially also, right? In the next video, I will be showing you a few months wherein we need to do little bit of adjustment. And once we are doing the adjustment, can we reduce the possibility of maximum loss? So if I am sitting in the trade where I know my maximum loss is, let us say, now 5,000 only, I can definitely wait and sit through expiry also. But once I know that, okay, in case of any wild move of the market, the trade can remove 2 lakh rupees from my 10 lakh rupees capital, then obviously I am not in a position to sit through the trade. So a trader who is able to sit through the trade always makes more money compared to a trader who is always looking for that, okay, at now I need to make adjustment, now I need to make adjustment after every 1 hour, after every 15 minutes, after every 4 hours, you have to make adjustments. Then obviously that is not a good strategy as such. But if you are a trader who is seeing the direction of the market, who is very good in charts, and based on charts you are trading, that is a different style altogether. But if you want to do passive strategies, if you're a working professional, then obviously that style doesn't suit. Happy to announce that we have done 3 online workshops. One is Iron Condor, one is Iron Butterfly, and third one is Double Fan Spreads. All these 3 workshops are recorded and we have converted them into a course. Now these recordings are readily available if you are interested. If you are interested in buying any of these recordings, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. Leaving you with another very interesting video on options trading. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.